Welcome to the lesson. Class is in session. My name is Jesse. Welcome to SEO College. We talk about the Money Robot tool and how to get paid traffic onto your blog, your website, your money site, and how to make more money online. If you want to build a custom strategy and you want to actually drive sales, make more money, and you're sick of not ranking, book a call with me, a free strategy session. Link is in the description, also in the comments. And I would love to build a strategy for you, show you how to run the Money Robot properly, how to run paid ads, and also how to build diagrams that work for you in your business. So would love to build something for you. With that said, let's jump into the video. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a campaign with the Money Robot that works for your money website. So I'm going to jump into our private server here, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And I just want to show you some of the results that I'm kind of getting right now for myself with a blog that I just created just a few days ago. So it's crazy that we're actually getting this amount of traffic. So you can see right here, you know, we just started maybe 3-4 days ago, and we're already getting traffic. And every day the traffic goes up. Today is our record high. We're getting quite a lot of traffic. We're ranking for a bunch of keywords here. All of this traffic is coming from the United States, as you can see right here. And I'm located in Canada, just to verify that this is real traffic that's coming from the United States. We already got 46 visitors from the United States and France. So you can say that this is actually quality traffic. This isn't junk traffic from all over the world. This is targeted traffic from the United States, France, United Kingdom, Canada. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to drive traffic, how to build campaigns with the Money Robot tool. I'm just going to go here. And right here you can see this is basically the report of one of our campaigns that we're actually running. All of these blogs right here are blogs that it was submitted to. So basically all of these blogs right here are all pointing back to my money website, which is driving a lot of organic traffic to my website there. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same if you have the Money Robot or if you are on the trial period. All you need to do is click on campaign right here, and we're going to go back into our blog right here. We're going to go back into my money blog, and I'm actually going to grab I'm going to grab a post that I created. This blog is fully automated, so it's all hands off. I'm actually not creating these articles myself. It's all created with ChatGPT. This is something you'll learn in our premium program, how to create an auto blog and how to have the blog, running traffic on its own, right? So I'm going to click right here, and basically I'm going to use this article right here. Okay guys, not only is it creating the images for each of these blogs, it's creating the articles, which is fantastic. So the next thing I want to do is I want to copy this blog, the blog article, and I'm going to jump into my Money Robot tool. Okay, so I'm going to create a new campaign. I already created the new campaign, and then I'm going to go for the keyword there, fat loss. I'm going to copy that keyword, and I'm going to paste it right here where it says campaign. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go to my handy keyword research tool. So my handy keyword research tool will find the keywords and save me tons and tons of hours, guys. So I don't even have to really go into the keyword planner on Google, because this keyword planner right here will find all of my keywords and all the easy to rank for keywords within seconds, right? Within seconds. So I just have to copy this. I'm going to jump back into my campaign. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into my campaign here. And then I'm going to paste these keywords. And then I'm going to click on here where it says create unique articles using Money Robot Article Builder. And I click right there. Awesome. And then the next thing that I want to do is I actually want to find a really powerful diagram. Feel free to steal this one for me if you want. I'm going to go to my diagram editor while this is running, and I'm going to show you this one right here. Feel free to steal with this one. This is the Triumph Power high competition for blog network, and I'll show you why it's so powerful. So I'm gonna go to this one. So the diagram ID for this one is 8E7445QZF, and this one right here is very powerful because we have Web 2.0 blogs pointing to social links and shares, which are all pointing back to my money site. Okay, so it's very, very powerful to use this one. So it looks like our article was created, and it's a variety of different articles right here. So all you need to do is you basically need to set this for a duration of 7 days, and you click create campaign, run campaign, and that's it. It's going to be sending traffic to that blog right there, and eventually, giving us more income, getting us more sales, right? And I'll show you exactly what the blog looks like after it's created. So I'm gonna go into one of our blogs right here, and I'm gonna click on the Web 2.0 blog, okay? So I'll click on one of the Web 2.0 blogs, and I'll show you right here what a blog looks like, okay? So I'm gonna click on this one right here, copy, I'm gonna jump into our thing right there, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like right here. So this is an example of Web 2.0 blog. This Web 2.0 blog is pointing back to my money website. So if you click right here where it says right here, it points back to the article that I created. Okay, guys? And it's as simple as that. Think about it. If you have hundreds and hundreds of these articles posted all across the internet, all pointing back to your website, what do you think is going to happen? You're eventually going to drive a lot of traffic, and you're eventually going to rank for very hard keywords like weight loss over a period of time. And I'm actually competing against very hard, a huge amount of competition, and I'm already ranking. I'm already generating revenue. And you see right here, I actually created this banner right here in Canva within 5 seconds. These are things that you learn in our premium program, where you learn how to automate your blog, how to create these affiliate offers that you can have to have people clicking on these affiliate offers and generating you money while you're sleeping, while you're in the toilet, while you're playing with your dog, whatever you're doing. So with that said, make sure to book a call with me. Would love to hear from you and build a strategy together. How to use the VPS, how to use Google Ads, and how to use the Money Robot tool. Make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to hit the notification button, and make sure to leave a comment below. What are your questions? Would love to hear from you, and I hope you have great success with this. With that said, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.